Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in today's video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Ericro store reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store, guys, which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including neck stretch and neck massage, multifunctional cervical traction and neck muscle device. You can take a look here. And apart from that, comfort zone mini ceramic tabletop fireplace heater, and super fashion and popular A1 smart foldable treadmill. So these are the offerings that they are claiming to offer, and apart from that, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now coming to the payment information, guys, so you can see the only mode of payment available on the website is PayPal, and let's check out the shipping information of this site first. So talking about shipping information, they have not provided the exact delivery duration or shipping duration, but they have mentioned the shipping time, guys, and you can see a sale is going on. Now talking about other information, so guys, let's talk about the domain information. But guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 22nd of January 2021. Guys, this site is 18 or 20 days old, and according to our study, we have found that this domain name is registered for 1 year only. So this is a newly launched website, and this site is too new to define its legitimacy. So we need to explore more information about this website. Now talking about us page, they have not provided the about us page on this website, which is one of the negative signs, which is a biggest drawback, guys. Now talking about contact details, you need to visit the contact us page, and you can see they have provided an email address. They have not mentioned the company's complete address, including official address or contact number, and the email which is given on the web page doesn't matches with the domain name, and this seems to be fake, guys. So this is again a red high alert that makes the site quite suspicious. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence. You can see 3 social media icons available on the web page, but these social media account handles are inactive or misleading, guys. When you will click this Instagram, Facebook or Twitter social media icon, then you will be redirected to the home page of the particular social media platforms. So this is again a negative sign that makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Now coming to the return or refund policy, you need to visit the refund or return policy page. They have provided or mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And on the other hand, guys, talking about Ericro store reviews, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet and on the official website as well. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks again, as the site is newly launched website. So the website is not popular, and apart from that, the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. And according to our in-depth research, we have found high number of suspicious websites are on this server, which is again a negative sign. And the trust index score of the site is 1%, guys, which is really very bad. So there are so many loopholes that define its fakeness, and in the final conclusion, the website appears to be a scam website. This is a fake online store, guys. You should stay away from such type of scam websites because there are so many loopholes, including the fake email address, incomplete contact details, absence of unavailability or company's information, low traffic score, poor design of website, and zero social media presence, zero security measures are led to believe us that it is a highly suspicious site. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, stay away from such type of websites and hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.